It's one of a kind. With just one machine, you can filter contaminated plastics using a system of scraping and back flushing. Fimic automatic melt filter eliminates impurities as small as 80 microns and can handle temperatures of up to 300 degrees centigrade and pressures of up to 220 bar without degrading the material being treated. The extruder pushes the contaminated plastic into the Fimic melt filter, where the user-selected steel screen filters the material. This is advanced technology that requires no user intervention. The perforated steel screen collects the contaminants, and when the pressure reaches the level set in the control panel's PLC, the inverter turns and touches the limit switch 1 or 3 times according to the cleaning cycle set by the user. The signal crosses the machine and reaches the valve, which starts the scraper where 2 steel blades are mounted. This process collects the contaminants, conveying them inside the scraper, removes the impurities through the valve's automated opening, resulting in a waste of close to just 1%. You choose how to use the Fimic melt filter. The pressure scraper is regulated by a sensor which detects the pressure resulting from the increase in impurities in the filter plate. Once this pressure is reached, as set in the PLC based on your specific needs, filter cleaning begins automatically and eliminates the impurities through the discharge valve. Continuous scraping entails constant rotating of the scraper and is recommended when the plastic contains a high level of impurities. Fimic melt filter can handle a high level of contamination and so is particularly suited to the recycling of plastic containing any type of contaminant, such as metal, paper, cardboard, wood, rubber, glass, small quantities of aluminium, unmelted plastic, and much more. The simple opening mechanism enables the user to replace a used screen in just 20 minutes. This isn't something that needs to be done often, every 3 to 7 days on average, because the Fimic melt filter is also self-cleaning and doesn't require any special maintenance. What are the working components in the Fimic melt filter? The scraping process uses an initial fixed breaker that is 45mm thick. Then there is an 8mm breaker which increases the movement of the plastic, particularly through the finer screens, and an interchangeable punched or laser perforated plate for filtering from 150 to 2000 microns. The locking ring makes it possible to move the blades of the scraper away from the filtering plate to remove the impurities collected without damaging the steel screen. The PLC may be used to set the cleaning speed of the scraper from 25 to 50 Hz, the number of seconds to keep the discharge valve open, and the RPMs of the scraper when cleaning.